hide this quarantine hair. That's what I need to do. Okay, what is good, everybody? It's been a long time. I've been like planning on videos and I don't even know what I was going to talk about. But now I just came to the point where I just need to talk to you guys, my fellow artists, about social media. If you guys don't know me, my name is Get Good Millhouse. My entire arc of this YouTube channel is about getting good in anything that you do, and my emphasis is on art. And I'm here to help with also getting good in social media. I get it, social media is hard. It's super hard, but it's not undoable. You can do this. You got this. You special person, you got this. I know social media could be just out there for you guys, like it's just too much to even understand, but if you guys stick along with my playlist that I'm gonna make about social media, it will make things so much easier for you to actually promote yourself as artists, get that clientele work that you guys want, to get more commissions and help grow your following. It's not easy. Don't expect it to be easy. I've only been doing this for a year so far, and about like just trying to get my work out there as much as I possibly can in front of as many eyes as possible. Like you, like many artists, I don't feel that I am the best in the world. I'm not Loish. I'm not Ross Draws. I'm not Proco. I'm not Mark Brunette. I'm not Fang Zhu. And I can just keep going on and on and on about all these other artists that's been doing the art game far more longer than me, or even making videos far more longer than me. It's pointless to even do that. It's more about growth, and I think that's all that really matters. So if you have people who actually really like your artwork, they will love to see your growth. As an artist, you gotta see yourself as a business, man. Think about it. Business brain. You gotta use your business brain. You gotta really understand that your art, your passion, the thing that you love to do and you wanna do for a living, it's a business. So we gotta start acting and treating it like a business. So when you start up on Instagram, first things first, make a Facebook page. Lame and corny as an Instagram page is, and for a lot of people who use it, I know I've made a page, and have I made a post on it? You don't have to use the Facebook fan page or anything. You don't even have to post on it. You just need to make that page happen. Make that page and then go on Instagram and then click on businesses. Have it linked to your Facebook account. Once you have it linked to your Facebook account, you're able to look into your analytics when it comes to your Instagram. As in, you get to see your demographic. Is it mostly male or female, or what's the age range? It's kind of scary how much information you learn from studying your analytics, like just knowing your demographic, especially when it comes to ages. It's so weird. But I guess that's the current time that we live in. Google's always listening. So once you turn your Facebook page into a fan page, or you make your fan page for your art page, make sure that it's linked to your Instagram account. So you access to analytics and whatnot, all the valuable data. Having your Instagram page linked to your Facebook page also helps you to promote your page in a form of dollars. You don't have to do the promotions, but it helps. Like if you donate, not donating. Yeah, I guess you're donating to yourself. But if you pay $5 or more, depending on how long you want your ads to be run, let's say if you finish this amazing drawing, this amazing picture, you can actually just go onto Instagram and Instagram will tell you if your posts are doing well. Instagram is actually trying to help you grow, but for a price. Give them $5 for a day and they will actually up your Instagram post and actually have it shown more visibly for other people who are actually looking for that said thing. Depending on your keywords, maybe if you said lockdown art or 6 fan arts or even hashtag tune me, that will also help even more and it will keep it on those said searches for even longer. And also target people that are actually into the same things that you are into, the type of art that you like to make, the type of anime that you are into. Just it targets everyone with the same likeness. And you can even customize it yourself whenever you make these promotions. Number 2, you got your page hooked up to your Instagram. Awesome. Download this app called When the Post. When the Post is an app that shows you, that connects to your Instagram as a third-party app. Don't worry, you're not going to get banned or anything like that, or have your account shut down for even having it linked together. But it will be so much more accurate to tell you when everyone is on Instagram and their demographic of people that are actually looking at your stuff. Especially at a time like this, mostly 90% of people around the world is on Instagram. And this is the time to post, especially if you want to be seen and like possibly get work as an artist. If you want to start making money off your craft and off your passion, download this app. This app is amazing. It saves me a bunch of time when it comes to even timing my posts. If you guys are the type of people to post a bunch of photos, a bunch of drawings, a bunch of pictures, but all randomly throughout the day, and you just don't understand like why is one post getting more views or likes versus another post, is because probably the time of day that you're posting them. In a year, this app helped me grow from 120 something followers to 840 something, and I'm still growing. When the Post is the truth. When you post your photos on Instagram, do you just like leave it at that? You put in the hashtags, you put in a little description, and you just put the phone down and just wait for it to like go off, or just do something else? You guys got to start posting them on your stories, especially for people who are just only going through Instagram, just checking out the stories and not even scrolling down the page feed. When you post it in your stories, people know like, oh, you made something new. Oh, you posted something. Okay, cool. I'm going to check it out. By doing these little things helps your posts so much. And I know it seems like a lot to do, but it isn't that hard. The moment when you start getting into the rhythm and the groove of things, especially when it comes to posting and adding them into your stories, it gets easier over time. That gaining followers or getting likes or even getting more eyes looking at your work is not an easy thing to do. It takes time, it takes effort, and you gotta be kind to yourself. You gotta really like sit back and just enjoy what you've done. And that's all that I can say within this video. In the next video, I am going to talk even more and drop some more Instagram tips and tricks for you guys. The stuff that I use that helped me so much. And I suggest that you guys watch other Instagrammers / YouTubers. I don't even know what the air quotes. Instagram / YouTubers that also talk about social media. I have been watching videos from Sunny Lenarduzzi, was it Katie Steckley? Give me 1 second. Katie Steckley, Vanessa Lau, and I'm sure there's other people on YouTube that I probably missed when it comes to learning more about Instagram and how it works. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please drop a like. If you guys have any questions on social media and how to put your stuff out there, leave your suggestions in the comment section below. And for the people that are some try hard, I want to get good, and they're really serious about like getting better at the craft, I know the box perspective guide that I made for Gumroad is not 100% accurate. I realized that the first week of me even practicing and using my own work guide, I understand that it's not 100% perfect. But the thing is, the true lesson that you're getting out of that is the fact that you're thinking more in 3D and you're getting a better understanding of shapes, boxes. They don't have to be perfect to the grid as long as you can understand the perspective of that box, and that is totally fine. And then with that, you can branch out of it, because eventually you're not going to even need that grid. You're not going to need that worksheet anymore, because you can be drawing boxes without a grid at some point, as long as you are practicing those boxes and understanding how perspective will work within those boxes. And I will be making more perspective videos that I've learned And I'll be teaching more about perspective on the stuff that I have been learning so far to make it a lot easier for you guys to understand perspective. I'm not the best. I'm not the greatest. But I am better than I was yesterday, and that's all that matters. And I think that's all that you should care about, that you are better than you were yesterday. Again, my name is Gig Millhouse. You guys have a goodie. Peace.